Now that we have the information we need for our profit and loss statement, let's put it to work. Let's take a look at what we can learn from the information that we gathered. If you haven't yet gathered this information, click the link above to watch the previous video. You can find the percentage of sales of each of your categories by adding the sales amounts of each of the categories you chose. Divide a specific sales category by your total sales, then multiply the resulting number by 100 to find the percent of sales that category accounts for. Sales percentages are really useful to see where your restaurant's strengths and weaknesses are, and it can give you insight on where your sales are coming from. You can find your gross profit by subtracting your total sales by the total cost of goods sold, the sum of how much you spend in each category during their time period. Gross profit represents what you have available to put towards other expenses and profit. Your prime cost is the sum of your total cost of goods sold and your total labor cost. Prime cost represents the bulk of your controllable expenses, which you can influence through adjusting labor costs or through changes to the ingredients in your dishes. Operating expenses are the controllable expenses involved in running your day-to-day operations. This includes things like supplies, repairs, upgrades, marketing and advertising, and music and entertainment. Occupancy expenses are the fixed overhead costs related to things like the rent, real estate, and property insurance. These costs are fixed because you do not have the ability to alter or change them. Finally, your net profit or loss can be found by subtracting your value lost, total occupancy costs, total operating costs, and prime cost from your total sales. Here's your bottom line, and it's a key indicator of how your business performed over a duration of time. It takes a lot to calculate these metrics. If you don't want to do it yourself, click the link above to download a free profit and loss statement template. Just add in the numbers and we'll do the rest.